For those who adore coffee in its purest form, acquiring one of the finest espresso machines becomes imperative. A superior espresso machine guarantees a harmonious shot of espresso, brimming with rich flavor, enticing aroma, and robust body. It should never impart a burnt or acrid taste. Instead, it should yield a velvety layer of creamer atop the brew, offering a silky finish. Moreover, the appliance itself must boast swift brewing capabilities while maintaining a tranquil operational demeanor, complemented by an intuitive interface. However, discerning whether these criteria are met can be challenging. That's where our expertise comes into play. We've meticulously assessed an array of espresso machines to pinpoint those that excel across all facets. We've curated a list of the top 6 espresso machines, highlighting their distinctive features, along with essential considerations to aid you in selecting the most suitable option. At number 6, we have the DeLonghi Stilosa espresso machine. If you seek an economical solution that doesn't compromise on performance, then the DeLonghi manual espresso machine fits the bill perfectly. Despite its modest price tag, this machine boasts a built-in frother, accommodating filters for both single and double shots, and a tamper. The only additional requisites are a coffee grinder, unless you opt for pre-ground beans, and a frothing pitcher to complement the wand. Don't be deterred by its affordability. Even seasoned professionals vouch for its efficacy. It grants you the freedom to concoct an array of beverages akin to its pricier counterparts, all while being remarkably user-friendly. The only minor inconvenience lies in manually shutting off the machine after pulling an espresso shot, lest it continues running unabated. At number 5, Breville Barista Express. Following extensive testing and evaluation, the Breville Barista Express emerged as my unequivocal top pick. Its remarkable performance and user-friendly features render it a standout choice for espresso aficionados and home coffee enthusiasts alike. The setup process was seamless, requiring just 15 minutes from start to finish. Filling the water tank, soaking the filter, attaching the hopper, and adding the beans were all straightforward tasks, facilitated by the comprehensively written instruction manual and user-friendly setup sheet. An intuitive control panel illuminates 1-cup and 2-cup buttons for effortless selection. Heating the boiler takes merely about a minute, with the power button blinking to indicate the machine's progress. The standout features of this machine include its intelligent dosing system and assisted tamping mechanism. The grinder automatically calculates the precise dose based on the previous grind, with a light-up indicator signaling whether adjustments are needed. I was impressed by how accurately the system adjusted and replicated excellent results, even when measured using a scale between shots. Cleanup was virtually effortless thanks to the built-in dosing funnel, which neatly channels the coffee grounds into the portafilter, minimizing mess. Moreover, the quality of the espresso produced by this machine was exceptional, particularly for a semi-automatic home appliance. The creamer on each cup was rich and frothy, indicative of a well-executed extraction process. While the steam wand wasn't the most potent I've tested, it still delivered sufficient intensity to swiftly heat the milk and create microfoam, resulting in a delightfully frothy cappuccino. At number 4, Gaggia Classic Evo Pro. This Italian-manufactured semi-automatic machine is an excellent option for those eager to delve into the world of espresso brewing. Featuring straightforward controls but lacking automatic shutoff, users will need to manually time their shots. Constructed from attractive brushed stainless steel, it boasts commercial-grade components like a standard 58mm portafilter, essential for holding the coffee grinds during brewing, and a steam wand, appealing to enthusiasts interested in latte art. The top-loading integrated funnel simplifies the process of filling the water tank. Gaggia has enhanced the Classic Evo Pro with upgrades from its entry-level model, including a quieter vibration pump during brewing and an updated overpressure valve, OPV, to regulate brewing pressure and prevent over-extraction, thereby avoiding the unpleasant burnt taste associated with poorly brewed espresso. Additionally, it features a boiler engineered to resist scale buildup and corrosion, ensuring longevity and consistent performance. Number 3. DeLonghi La Prestigio Specialista. This sophisticated-looking semi-automatic espresso machine is priced at under $1,000 and boasts a built-in grinder and steam wand for frothing milk. We found it user-friendly and adjustable to individual preferences. Select from 8 grind sizes to achieve your desired espresso shot, then opt for a single or double espresso, or perhaps an Americano. Be aware of a potential learning curve in determining the optimal grind for your perfect shot. Additionally, it offers hot water dispensing for tea. The La Prestigio Specialista features a built-in tamping mechanism for precise grounds packing, complemented by a pressure gauge to ensure the correct grind selection and shot extraction. We were impressed by the full-bodied espresso with a silky thin creamer it produced. An optional knockbox for used grounds adds convenience, particularly during multiple espresso preparations. Overall, we found this espresso machine to be straightforward to clean. Number 2. Philips LatteGo 3200. Super automatic machines, handling grinding, dosing, shot pulling, and milk frothing with a single touch, often compromise compared to their automatic counterparts. Yet, for those seeking freshly ground coffee in their espresso and latte beverages, coupled with the convenience of a pod system like Keurig or Nespresso, a super automatic is an attractive choice. At its price point, the Philips LatteGo 3200 offers a compelling blend of features and performance. Its compact design sets it apart from basic Gaggia and Jura super automatics, delivering a reasonably satisfying espresso shot with good creamer, temperature, and flavor. The easily removable water reservoir and intuitive push-button controls enhance the user experience, allowing for personalized drink creation with ease. While the bean hopper's capacity may be modest compared to others, adjustable settings for espresso, coffee, Americano, macchiato, and cappuccino ensure customizable drink preferences. The LatteGo's hot pluggable milk frother SL heater and jug attachment yielded superior hot milk consistency compared to rival super automatic machines, albeit housed in plastic like the rest of the unit. Proper attachment is crucial to prevent leaks, and regular cleaning of the spout is necessary. Although not as foolproof as some competitors, such as the Jura D6, the LatteGo 3200 offers convenient maintenance with its easily accessible coffee grind disposal hopper and drip tray, ensuring swift cleaning and hassle-free operation. Automatic shut-off and quick wake-up add to its user-friendly features. Number 1. Breville Bambino Plus. The latest addition to Breville's compact Bambino lineup represents a significant leap forward compared to both the standard Bambino and the larger, pricier Infuser model. One notable improvement is its rapid heating capability, going from off to ready to brew in under 5 seconds. Equipped solely with pressurized filter baskets, also called double-walled filter baskets, this machine virtually guarantees proper pressure and a good creamer, even if you don't tamp it precisely or use overly coarse coffee grounds. These pressurized baskets are also compatible with pre-ground coffee, although we advise against it. Despite only providing pressurized baskets, we tested a non-pressurized single-walled filter basket from the Breville Infuser on the Bambino Plus, yielding satisfactory results. However, the standout feature of this machine is its automated milk steaming. You can customize the foaminess of your milk, then simply place the jug under the steam wand, press a button, and let it work its magic hands-free. While such a feature might seem gimmicky, the resulting milk texture is consistently rich and smooth. We even tested it with oat milk and found it produced more volume and texture compared to other home machines. The Bambino Plus is the most user-friendly semi-automatic espresso machine we've encountered. Although it offers manual adjustments for brewing times and water temperatures, you can operate it without touching any of these settings if you prefer. Its functionality rivals that of entry-level machines while delivering coffee beverages akin to those produced by the Solis. For coffee aficionados, this provides a comprehensive overview of today's top espresso machines. Whether you're a novice or an experienced brewer, there's a machine tailored to your preferences. Remember, the quality of your coffee experience depends not only on the beans, but also on the brewing machine. Therefore, make an informed investment to elevate your coffee journey. If you found this information valuable, please like, share with fellow coffee enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful reviews and recommendations. Until next time, enjoy your espresso adventures. Cheers!